Hey guys, I don't usually do any unboxings, but I thought this thing was so cool, so I kind of had to show it. I did use it just to make sure it worked, but hold on. Okay, it's called the Zeppoli electric kettle. So you just plug it in. It's so cool. Hold on. Okay. You plug it in and then you press this button here. Is that cool or what? And it actually doesn't take long, so I'm going to actually do the whole video. It said to wash it out first, so I washed it with some soap and water. You see the little bubbles already starting to accumulate? It'll be interesting. I didn't fill the whole thing up. I'm assuming it takes, of course, a little longer if it's full, but I just needed enough to make a small cup of tea, but I made a lot more than, there's enough for like 4 cups of small tea. Anyway, it's all stainless steel, I believe. And all you do is plug it in. It's like really neat. I can't wait to see what it looks at night, because right now it's during the day. It was only like $30 on Amazon. Oh, there it goes. You can hear it. So it took about 90 seconds. It's not totally out of boil yet, but almost. Sorry. There we go. That's cool. I love that. The simple things in life. Okay, then you just press the button. Oh, actually, I think it turns off by itself. I just got over anxious. And there's the tea. Let's have a cup of tea, yo. Have a great day. God bless you. Bye.